Hello, John Talley here with Boats.net, and what I have before you here is a 2004 Yamaha F225TXRC. And I don't know if you can tell from the camera angle, but she is in definite need of our attention. Starting down at the bottom, if you've got a towel crammed in the output, that is not a good sign. So chances are we're going to have to deal with seals. We have some pretty serious corrosion issues. You can also see where it attacked just the gimbal or the transom mount. Now, as a well-known issue on this particular model, Yamaha had some problems with the corrosion on the exhaust plate, so we're going to need to take a look at that. I also know from the previous owner that this one may have had one or more cylinders that are down on compression, so we're going to have to address that as well. And just the overall condition of the outside, it's cracked on the cowling, we've got the corrosion down there. I mean, there's going to be a whole host of things that we're going to need to do. So in this video series, we're going to start at the bottom end and work our way all the way to the top, straightening out each system as we go along, whether it be the output seals, the lower gear housing, the shift shaft, the output shaft, going into the engine if we have to deal with that. And I'm sure the fuel system has been sitting so long, it's all going to be gummed up, and we'll have to go through the fuel injectors, the high pressure pump, the low pressure pump, everything. So once again, we're going to go through this thing from stem to stern. So if you want to see what it takes to straighten this one out, why don't you follow the video series, and when you get ready to buy parts for your outboard, why don't you come see us at Boats.net and we can guide you through the process. So if you're ready, let's get started.